Hey people, welcome back to another tutorial. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a simple DIY pillowcase. My name is Abby and this is Waka Waka. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. For the pillowcase pattern, you'll be needing 3 measurements from an existing pillow. Here, I measure the width of my pillow from side to side, then the length, and I also determined how long I want the cover to be. The measurements I have here are 31 inches for length, 22 inches for the width, and 7 inches for the pillow cover. I added ½ inch to my length, 1 inch to the width, an additional 1 inch to the cover measurement. I multiplied my length by 2 and added the cover measurement, which gave me 71 inches. I prepared my fabric by ironing it. I measured the length of the pillowcase then the width, which I marked severally, then connected the dot and cut out the fabric. From one end of the fabric, I measured and notched 8 inches, which is my pillowcase cover measurement plus the allowance. Still on that side, I folded in 1 inch allowance with my iron, then pinned it. While on the other side of the pillowcase, I folded it by 3/8 inches and then do another fold of ½ inch and pinned it. Then I sewed both ends of the fabric. I looked for my 8-inch notch, which is now 7 inches. Then fold it inwards with right sides facing, and then brought the other end of the fabric, making sure the cover is sandwiched between the front and back portion of the fabric. Then pinned it. And I did the same for the other part of the pillowcase. I sewed both sides, flipped the pillowcase, then I ironed it. And there you have it, your pillowcase with cover. Thank you for watching guys, and see you in my next tutorial.